Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick sort of a vlog, I guess. I am trying to keep my channel really super casual and just chill and just want to talk about crafty stuff and junk journals and art and painting and, that kind of thing and paper crafting. I thought just doing a little vlog and I guess this is just a little bit of like an update or what I'm working on at the moment type of a video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the more casual vibe over here. My daughter's sleeping right now. It's about 9:30, and so I have a little bit of crafty time before I need to get to bed because she just is not a good sleeper, and I should be sleeping when she sleeps, but when she sleeps, I want to craft. So here I am. So anyway, currently what I'm working on is a whole bunch of hardcover junk journals. I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos. And these two are the ones I'm working on right now. This one, these are totally unfinished. They're not even bound yet, so don't judge me. But yeah, so this one I started putting the pages together. I wrote down how many pages that are in there, else I'll forget. But that's how many are in there right now. Gosh, I wish I had another hand so I could do a cool flip through, but maybe I can show you a little here. So just a bag that I had found, smaller pages, parchment paper, lots of Maggie Holmes in here. Did a little button collage thingy right there. I just thought that was cute. It was just a scrap that was laying on my desk and just threw it on there because I thought it was just really cute. Does anybody else do that? Just kind of like have little scraps of papers or fabric on your desk and you just kind of make something out of it rather than just throwing it away. Yeah, so this was actually a scrap and I sewed it to make a little pocket in there. Sorry, one-handed videoing is not the best. Yeah, I'm not going to flip through this whole thing, but I just wanted to show you what I was working on. I made this little file folder thing from a tutorial on YouTube, which I will link below if anyone's interested. It was just kind of a cool way to make a file folder, and then I just did some punching on the side, so I thought that came out pretty cute, actually, not gonna lie. Let's see what else is in here that's fun. Super pretty punch I got a long time ago. I just never used it, so love that. Don't know why I never used it before. And here's another little file folder that I made with a little label here. So that's kind of new, something new I've been doing and that I like to add to most of my junk journals. I just think it's really pretty, the sewing. Here is, I just recently made this sort of, I guess, altered envelope with scraps, and this was inspired by Amity Bloom. Her creative tags with scraps, I believe, is the title of her video. So she made tags where she just did sort of collaging with all her scraps and things, and I did that on this envelope and included it in my junk journal that I'm making. So then you can obviously put things in there, and I probably should put something in here. But yeah, so that's what I've done there. I thought it came out cute. Of course, it's mostly Maggie Holmes. I am obsessed with Maggie Holmes paper pads. I mean, I'm pretty sure most of us are. They're just so beautiful. The florals are just my favorite. I just think she has the most beautiful florals. The Flourish paper pad is just out of this world. I love that paper pad so much, and I have two. Probably even might get a third one just to have. So anyway, here's some more pages of this journal. More little files. Again, sorry, one-handed, not the best. Okay, let me just show you the cover. I love this cover. Yeah, I just did some embossing on the side. This is nighttime, okay, so my lighting is just poor. But, there's some more embossing there. This is from the Maggie Holmes Flourish 6x8 paper pad. And I just wanted this book to look so old. I just thought that this sort of like yellowy, old, mustardy color just looked really vintage and old. And then I just did a ton of like, I think I used like a brown wax, and I used that around the edges. Let me see if I can turn this around. So the binding will go just right over that embossing right there. And then this is the back. So I just did a lot of sponge painting there. More of this copper. This is like a copper wax that I did around the edges of everything. Anyway, there's that one. Not done yet. Might still add more to the cover, not sure. Need to bind. Next is this one, same style, gold embossing this time, flourish paper pad, gold embossing on the edges. Very inspired by Rosie Journal, Johanna. I mean, if you're not inspired by Johanna, what are you even doing? She is just, she's incredible. She's amazing. She was definitely one of the people that inspired me to just start junk journaling, and then moving up from that, start making my own. So that's the inside for now. Some of the envelopes and papers that I plan to put in there. This one is another one of those file folders that I did with the labels that I just thought, you know, if you want to just maybe put like a date here, or maybe a title or description of what you want to put in here. So whatever ephemera you do put in here, maybe you want to label it. Up to you. I just really like these labels, again, from Maggie Holmes, paper pads and whatnot. And I just sewed those on. So yeah, that's about all I have in that book right now. And some more embossing. This is a really pretty blue that I custom mixed up the paint with a bunch of Liquitex tubes, different color blues. So that one's really pretty. I have a couple more that are like this that I might save for another video, or perhaps wait until they're bound so I can do a real flip through and where I have two hands and I can show you a little bit better. So those are the two that I'm working on. I'll probably try to get this one bound tonight. Maybe add some more embellishing to this. And this one I need to obviously add more papers and, you know, same thing, more embellishing and whatnot, bind it. But these are the two that I'm currently working on, and I'll give you a little sneak peek of the other ones that I've completed. They're all down here. So quite a few that are sort of ready to go as far as the covers. I just need to do all the fun stuff, which is choosing the papers, cutting the papers, punching, adding envelopes and tags, embellishments, tabs. So who knows how long that's going to take me. So that's it for the journals. What else am I working on? I kind of just reorganized my little Crafty hutch. I know it looks very junky, I guess. I mean, I just have so much stuff everywhere, but to me this is organized and I know where everything is now, so that's great. What's not organized is my paper pads. They're out of control. They're out of control. I do not have storage or a place to put them at the moment, but I'm thinking an IKEA Kallax, maybe right there, would be nice to store the paper pads as well as a whole bunch of other crafty stuff that I have that's, you know, under my desk looking like absolute shit. So, anywho, that's what I'm up to tonight. I hope you guys are well. I hope everyone's having some time this weekend to get some crafty stuff in. Do you stay up late at night to do your crafting? Do you have kids? Do you wait until they're asleep, just like I do, to even have just 30 minutes of crafty time to yourself? Let me know in the comments how you find the time to do crafty things, especially those of you who are parents, because I just try to squeeze it in as much as I can. Here I am in super poor lighting and filming on my iPhone and working on all of this while my daughter is asleep and I'll probably be really tired in about 20-30 minutes and want to go to bed. So I've got 20-30 minutes of crafty time juices left in me. So yeah, let me know how you guys deal with not having a whole lot of time, but having a ton of creative energy and ideas. So, all right, guys, have a great night. Talk to you soon. Bye.